Hello friends, welcome to my channel. Today I have come up with a very quick and very tasty recipe of peda that takes very least time to prepare. So let's begin. For making peda, heat a pan and add 1/4 cup of ghee or clarified butter. So here I have added the 1/4 cup of ghee. Now let this ghee melt, and by the time the ghee is melting, we will prepare the powdered sugar. So for that, here I have taken half a cup of sugar. Into this I am adding 2 cardamom pods. Now grind this to a fine powder, and you can see our powdered sugar is ready. So here the ghee is melted. Into this now I am adding half a cup of full fat milk. Now mix the milk with the ghee. Also goes in 1 cup of milk powder. Add milk powder little at a time, do not add much. So just keep adding and keep mixing this. Make sure there should not be any lumps. So mix everything properly, and all this process should be done on low flame. So keep the flame on low to low medium and keep mixing everything. This recipe takes hardly 10 minutes to prepare, but in those 10 minutes you continuously have to stir the mixture. So keep mixing everything. And now I am adding 1/4 cup of powdered sugar. You can increase or decrease the quantity of sugar according to your taste. So here 1/4 cup is enough. Now mix the sugar with the milk powder mixture very well, and here everything is mixed. Now we have to keep stirring the mixture till it leaves the sides of the pan. So now on low flame keep stirring it, and here you can see the sugar is melting and the mixture has become little thin. So just keep mixing this, keep stirring the mixture. And here you can see it has started to leave the sides slightly. So just keep stirring. And you can see its color has started to change now. So we have to fry this for 2 to 3 more minutes. And here you can see its color has been changed and our khoya is ready. At this stage, switch off the flame. And we will transfer the mixture to a plate. And with the help of a spoon or a spatula, just spread the mixture and let this cool down a little bit. So whether our mixture is ready or not, to check that, just take a small portion from the mixture and roll it. If it's holding the shape, that means our mixture is ready. And here you can see it has holded a shape. So now let the mixture cool down, and after 5 minutes it has been cooled a little bit. So apply little ghee on your palms and take the small portion from the mixture and roll it like a ball. And after rolling, just press this slightly, don't press it very hardly, and you can see our peda is ready. And I have garnished this with the almonds. So similarly we will prepare the another peda. So just take small portion, roll it like a ball and press it slightly. Don't keep peda very thin. And you can see here our second peda is ready. And likewise we will prepare the rest of the peras. So here I have prepared all the peras and you can see they are looking very lovely. It's not less than khoya or mawa peda, but it can be prepared very less time. So give this recipe a try and you will love this. And if you like this video, please like, share and subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon